Hello English learners. Welcome back to our channel, Vocab and Phrases, where learning English is fun and easy. Do you ever feel like you're stuck using the same basic phrases in English? Well, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to share 50 super useful phrases that you can use in your daily conversations, whether you're at work, with friends, or just chatting with people in English. These phrases are going to help you sound more fluent and natural. So, let's dive right in and make English simple together.
तुम कैसे हो? या सब कुछ कैसा चल रहा है?
How's it going? Example, hey, how's it going? What have you been up to?
क्या चल रहा है? या क्या हो रहा है?
What's up? Example, hey, what's up? You look happy today.
तुम कैसे थे? या तुम पिछले कुछ समय से कैसे हो?
How have you been? Example, it's been a while. How have you been?
बहुत समय हो गया, मिलकर अच्छा लगा.
Long time no see. Example, long time no see. How's everything?
ख्याल रखना.
Take care. Example, I'm leaving now, take care.
फिर मिलेंगे.
See you later. Example, I have to go now. See you later.
तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है?
What do you mean? Example, I don't get it, what do you mean?
मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
I don't understand. Example, can you explain again? I don't understand.
क्या आप इसे दोहरा सकते हैं?
Could you repeat that? Example, sorry, could you repeat that? I missed it.
माफ करना, मैं समझ नहीं पाया.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Example, sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again?
क्या आप धीरे बोल सकते हैं?
Can you speak slower? Example, can you speak slower? I'm still learning English.
यह शानदार लगता है.
That sounds great. Example, Mary said she wanted to help me with the chores, and I said that sounds great.
मैं सहमत हूँ.
I agree. Example, I agree with you.
मुझे नहीं लगता.
I don't think so. Example, do you think we can finish this in one day? I don't think so.
यह अच्छा विचार है.
That's a good idea. Example, in my opinion, that's a good idea.
इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
It doesn't matter. Example, did I wake you? Yes, but it doesn't matter.
कोई बात नहीं.
Never mind. Example, I'm sorry I'm late. Never mind, it's no big deal.
कोई बात नहीं.
That's fine. Example, could you please help me with this? That's fine, I'd be happy to.
यह बहुत अफसोसजनक है.
That's too bad. Example, I lost my phone. Oh no, that's too bad.
क्या बात है? या क्या हुआ?
What's the matter? Example, you look sad, what's the matter?
यह सुनकर दुख हुआ.
I'm sorry to hear that. Example, I've been feeling sick lately. I'm sorry to hear that. Hope you feel better soon.
कोई चिंता नहीं.
No worries. Example, I'm sorry I can't make it. No worries, we can meet another time.
इसकी चिंता मत करो.
Don't worry about it. Example, sorry I'm late. Don't worry about it, you're here now.
बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much. Example, thank you so much for helping me with the project.
मुझे इसकी कद्र है.
I appreciate it. Example, thanks for your support. I appreciate it.
आपका स्वागत है.
You're welcome. Example, thank you for the delicious dinner. You're welcome, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
यह मेरे लिए खुशी की बात है.
It's my pleasure. Example, it was my pleasure to work with you.
माफ कीजिए.
Excuse me. Example, excuse me, do you know where the bus station is?
माफ कीजिएगा.
I beg your pardon. Example, I beg your pardon, but I don't think that's true.
क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं?
Can you help me? Example, can you help me carry these bags?
मैं आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ?
How can I help you? Example, how can I help you with your problem?
मैं सिर्फ मजाक कर रहा था.
I'm just kidding. Example, I'm just kidding, I didn't mean to be rude.
मैं गंभीर हूँ.
I'm serious. Example, I'm serious, we need to talk about this.
मैं इस पर विचार करूंगा.
I'll think about it. Example, I'll think about your proposal and give you my feedback.
मुझे मन नहीं कर रहा है.
I don't feel like it. Example, I don't feel like it. I'm kind of tired.
मुझे सोचने दो.
Let me think. Example, let me think, what's the best way to approach this?
मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है.
I have no idea. Example, I have no idea, where is my wallet?
आपका क्या विचार है?
What's your opinion? Example, what's your opinion on the new movie?
मुझे इसका इंतजार है.
I'm looking forward to it. Example, I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.
यह दिलचस्प है.
That's interesting. Example, that's interesting, I didn't know that.
क्या तुम यकीन कर सकते हो?
Can you believe it? Example, she got the promotion after just 6 months. Can you believe it?
इसका जिक्र मत करो.
Don't mention it. Example, thank you so much for your help. Don't mention it. It was the least I could do.
यह दुख की बात है.
That's a shame. Example, I heard you didn't get the job. That's a shame.
क्या समय हुआ है?
What time is it? Example, what time is it? I need to leave soon.
सबसे पास का कहाँ है?
Where is the nearest? Example, where is the nearest pharmacy?
यह कितने का है?
How much is this? Example, how much is this shirt?
आप क्या सुझाव देते हैं?
What do you recommend? Example, what do you recommend for dinner tonight?
मुझे यकीन नहीं है.
I'm not sure. Example, I'm not sure it's a good idea.
क्या आप ठीक हैं?
Are you okay? Example, you look upset, are you okay?
मैं ठीक हूँ. धन्यवाद.
I'm fine, thanks. Example, how are you today? I'm fine, thanks.